How to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for WhatsApp application over here. So as you tap on WhatsApp, just make sure that you have the latest version of the application over here. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the WhatsApp application. So we're going to go back and then go to the settings, and then we're just going to scroll to apps over here, then tap on manage apps, and then we're going to wait until the list of apps loads over here. So we're just going to scroll down to find the WhatsApp application on our device, and as you tap on that, you can see the option of clear data. Tap on clear data and then you can clear cache, and then go to the app permissions and go to the microphone. So just make sure that you have given the access to the WhatsApp application, and then go back, and then you can just make a long press on the power button and tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.